Yeah. Oh, really?
I had to sit there and like turn it on and off, like it kept going off and turn it back on.
The battery might be going down.
It's a 50,000 hour battery, isn't it?
I don't know. I did leave it on for
Okay.
a couple days on accident. Where was he, by the log?
Yeah, I mean, I saw.
I'm still filming.
I saw him poking up his little head. And,
You should have let him come.
yeah, but
He was coming. He wouldn't have seen you.
it was good though. I was worried he was gonna see me, dude.
Yeah.
I mean, I was right there. So
That was 40 yards, probably.
I wanted to let him come, but. Where'd he go?
I don't know. Hopefully you flopped him.
He looks dead to me, man. Did he do to you?
I didn't.